Welcome to Tech Magic. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to install Chrome OS. Whether you're breathing new life into an old laptop or simply curious to explore what Chrome OS has to offer, this guide will make the process simple and straightforward. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly check CPU compatibility. Chrome OS runs best on Intel Core CPUs from the 8th generation and newer. It also supports Celeron CPUs based on the Goldmont architecture. If your CPU meets these requirements, you're good to go. Now, let's check what's unsupported. Older Intel CPUs, ARM CPUs, and dedicated GPUs are not supported. Ensure your hardware is compatible before proceeding. The basic requirements are UEFI-based computers with a supported CPU. If your system meets these requirements, then you're ready to begin. First, you need to disable Secure Boot from the BIOS. Restart your computer, enter the BIOS settings, find the Secure Boot option, disable it, then save and exit the setup. After restarting, visit the Chrome OS download link in the description and download the file for your CPU. Since I have a 10th gen CPU, I'll download that version. Choose the one that matches your CPU. Next, search for Rufus and open the first link. Scroll down and download the portable version. Once everything is downloaded, extract the Chrome OS zip file. Insert a USB drive of at least 16 GB into your computer. Open Rufus as an administrator. Make sure your USB drive is selected, then click on Select and choose the ISO file. Click on Start and wait. It will take about 10 minutes to flash the USB drive. Once flashing is complete, close all apps and restart your computer. Access the boot menu by pressing the key specific to your manufacturer, usually F12, Escape, or F2. Choose UEFI USB Partition 1 from the boot menu. Select Start Linux Mint, and press Enter. After booting into Linux, connect to the Internet. Then, open Files from the taskbar, right-click, and select Open as root. Now, go to File System, then CD-ROM, and find the Chrome OS folder. Open it. There's one correct SH file that will install Chrome OS to your computer. But we need to know which file to run, so first, let's check our disk type. Go to the menu and open Gparted. In Gparted, it shows our disk type is SDA, so the correct file to run is sda.sh. In your case, it might be different, so check what your Gparted shows and run the corresponding file. Close Gparted, then right-click on the .sh file, and select Run in Terminal. Type Yes and press Enter. Note that all your data, including your current OS, will be lost, so be sure to back up everything before continuing. Type Yes and press Enter. The installation process will take up to 10 minutes. Once done, close everything and restart your computer. Remove the USB drive and press Enter to restart. Now, your system will boot into Chrome OS. Complete the basic setup by connecting to the Internet, signing into your Google account, agreeing to the terms, creating a password, and adjusting the display settings as per your preference. That's it. You've successfully installed Chrome OS on your PC or laptop. Enjoy Android apps, fast browsing, and seamless performance. Thanks for watching Tech Magic. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content. Drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.